Having the right gaming PC can completely change the quality of your gaming experience. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best pre-built gaming PCs so you'll never have to suffer through bad, laggy gameplay again and will be able to play the games the way they're supposed to be played. Now, the only issue is that a PC might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you, because most PCs are not made to be perfect for everyone, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations, so regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect gaming PC for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. First on my list is the Alienware Aurora R14, my choice for the best overall gaming PC. The Aurora R14 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 5900 12-core processor, plus it has 32GB DDR4 XMP RAM and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card. That's some incredible processing power, and it really shows in the R14's performance. Games run smoothly at maximum settings for an awesome gaming experience. The design promotes cooling through a reorganized internal layout that creates fewer airflow obstructions. This allows fans to provide more airflow with less effort, so that also provides for a quieter operation. An immense storage setup enables Aurora R14 to handle the most intensive applications. Its 1TB SSD provides lightning fast load times for your most used games and applications, and a 2TB hard disk drive provides plenty of space for games, media, and other files. When it comes to the software, the Aurora R14 does not disappoint. Alienware Command Center is a powerful tool that lets you customize the lighting, monitor system performance, and optimize game settings for maximum performance. It's also very user-friendly, so if you're not a tech expert, you can still get the most out of your gaming PC. The Aurora R14 has a cool futuristic look that's instantly recognizable as an Alienware product. Designed to look great from all angles, it has an optional clear side and doors on either side, and an optional magnetic back door, so you can easily access and swap out components. Its multiple ports for all your needs are positioned on the front and rear for ease of use. The Alienware Aurora 14 is a top-of-the-line PC on all fronts. Powerful, well-designed, and easy to use, with features that will satisfy even the most demanding gamer. If you're in the market for a top quality gaming rig, the Aurora R14 could be the perfect gaming PC for you. Next on my list is the HP Omen 45L, my choice for the best PC for competitive gaming. The HP Omen 45L is a beast of a machine that has the processing power to handle the toughest competition. It is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 9 5900X 12-core processor along with 32GB DDR4 RAM and 1TB SSD. This thing is an absolute powerhouse, designed to handle everything you throw at it with ease. The Omen 45L has an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080i graphics card, one of the top-end graphics cards on the market. It features enhanced RT cores and tensor cores, new streaming multiprocessors, and super fast memory. The 45L takes cooling to a new level with the Omen Cryo Chamber. It enables the liquid cooler radiator to pull in cold air from the surrounding environment to cool down the CPU to keep the unit performing at top levels. When it comes to sound, the Omen 45L's TS headphone technology is absolutely hard to beat. It's spatially accurate and gives an amazing depth of immersion so you feel like you're in the center of the action. The Omen 45L's design screams power. A tempered glass side panel shows off the internal components with RGB lighting effects. A clear EMI protective coating helps reduce the risk of electrical and magnetic interference with other devices. And the package includes the HP 310 wired keyboard and mouse combo. And in terms of ports and connectivity, the Omen 45L is absolutely well equipped. It has a healthy selection of USB-A and USB-C ports, as well as HDMI and display ports. There's also built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, so you can connect wirelessly to your network and your devices. The HP Omen 45L is an awesome gaming machine that ticks all the boxes for even the most competitive gamer. It's super powerful and fast with first-class graphics. It's easy to manage, and it has great connectivity and customization options. Next up on my list is the Acer Predator Orion 3000, my choice for the best gaming PC for most people. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 looks great and has the gaming performance to match. It has a sharp-looking black case with a tempered glass side panel that gives you a glimpse of the powerful components inside. It's not too flashy, but it definitely definitely looks like it means business. Now inside, the Predator Orion 3000 packs a serious punch. It's powered by an Intel Core i7 8-core processor, which means it can handle even the most demanding games and applications. It's also got an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, so you'll be able to play the latest games at high settings without any lag. The Orion 3000 also has 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a 512 gigabyte SSD, providing plenty of storage space for your games and files. It has a first-class cooling system designed with sections between the CPU and the power supply. Each of the cooling fans include 4 RGB LEDs, which work to optimize the cooling. So the 3000's components are at a safe temperature even when you're pushing the system to its limits. The fans are also pretty quiet, so you're not going to have to deal with a lot of distracting noise while you're gaming. The Predator Orion 3000's front panel has 2 USB 3.2 ports, a headphone jack, and a mic jack, which is super convenient. The back panel has plenty of ports for all your peripherals, including HDMI and display ports. It has killer Ethernet E2600 and Wi-Fi 6E, so you'll have fast and reliable internet connectivity even during intense online gaming sessions. It also has Acer's Predator Sense software, which allows you to adjust the system's performance and lighting to suit your preferences. It comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, so you'll be ready to go right out of the box. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a real winner with a perfect combination of powerful gaming components and advanced cooling system and lots of connectivity options. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Up next on my list is the CyberpowerPC Xtreme VR Gaming PC. My choice for the best gaming PC for the money. The CyberpowerPC Xtreme can move your level of competition up by a huge leap without breaking the bank. It's equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor to give you ample processing power for your play. It comes with 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM and a 1 terabyte SSD, so you'll have plenty of space for all your games and applications. The CPU paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12 gigabyte graphics card means that the Xtreme is more than capable of running all your favorite games at a reasonable level. It's not the most powerful graphics card, but it's good enough to play almost any game at normal settings. The CyberpowerPC Xtreme has a great selection of connectivity options too. It has a total of 6 USB 3.1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, an HDMI port, 2 display ports, a headphone jack, and microphone jack, and more. So it's outfitted with a wide range of options for connecting to other peripherals. The audio on the Xtreme is also extremely solid. Its 7.1 audio channel produces rich, powerful audio for your games and movies, music, and more. The package also includes the CyberpowerPC Xtreme gaming keyboard and 7 colors RGB mouse, so you can add a personal touch. Another great feature of this gaming PC is that it is designed to be VR ready. So with VR accessories and applications, which are sold separately, you'll be able to experience virtual reality games and applications in their full impact. The CyberpowerPC Xtreme VR gaming PC looks nice. The case has tempered glass panels on both the side and the front. It comes with RGB lighting that adds an extra level of customization and personalization to your setup. All in all, the CyberpowerPC Xtreme VR gaming PC is a fantastic value. It's well built, delivers high-level performance, and looks super slick. It is a great choice for your money. And last on my list is the Corsair Vengeance i7400. The Vengeance i7400 is a great all-around high-performance gaming machine. With an Intel Core i7 13700K processor, 32 gigabytes DDR4 RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti graphics card, it has a lot of horsepower. It also comes with a 1 terabyte NVMe SSD, which means lots of lightning-fast storage for all your games and applications. And with all this power, it can handle everything you throw at it, so you can play at high settings with solid frame rates and no lag whatsoever. And the RTX 3070 Ti graphics card really shines when it comes to ray tracing, delivering stunning visuals. It's a step down from the 3080i on the Omen 45L, but still enough to get very similar performance at a very reasonable price tag. One thing that really stands out about the Vengeance i7400 is how quiet it is. Even when gaming at full tilt, the fans don't make much noise at all. This is a huge plus for long gaming sessions where you don't want to be distracted by loud fans. The The Vengeance i7400 is a modern and stylish mid-tower with an all-black case and subtle Corsair branding. It has healthy airflow through its front panel and features 88 individually controlled RGB LEDs that are visible through its tempered glass panel. The i7400 comes equipped with Windows 11 and has 2.5G Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, plus tons of other ports for your other devices on both the front and the rear of the unit. These include multiple USBs Type A and C, PS-2, 3 display ports, a headphone and microphone combo jack, 7.1 audio channel, and an HDMI. Corsair's user-friendly IQ software will monitor system performance, adjust fan and pump speeds, customize RGB lighting, and more. Plus, the Corsair Vengeance i7400 comes with Corsair's standard comprehensive 2-year warranty covering parts and labor, along with 24/7 customer support, so you can rely on help being there if it's needed. All in all, the Corsair Vengeance i7400 is a top-tier choice for gaming, and it looks great too. Plus, with the easy upgradability and quiet operation, it's a machine that will keep you happy for years to come. And if you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like. And be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.